So hello everyone, I'm Arijit Devnath and welcome to my channel. So we are going to start something new today, that is file handling. So there will be a series of videos in my channel on file handling, and today is the first video on file handling. So this is the introductory video and we will learn what is the needs of file handling, what is the header files, what are the syntax to create and close a file, and what are the different modes of it. Okay, so let's start. So at first I will talk about the needs of file handling. So as we know, when we are writing any programs in C language, we are creating variables and store different data in the variables. But when the program terminated, the data is being lost. So to achieve the data or to permanently store the data into the memory, we are using files here. So using files, we can store the data permanently into the memory, and whenever we want, we can retrieve the data and work on it, write, read, or append, etc. So let's start by the header files. So the header files needed here is stdio.h. So this is the header file which contains all the library functions of all the functions of files. Okay, so now the syntax to open a file, the syntax is fopen, and inside the parenthesis in double quotes we have to write the file name, and then double quotes, then comma, then inside the double quotes again we have to write the mode of the file, and that's all. You can create a file. Now let's see how to close a file. So to close a file we have to write fclose, and inside the parenthesis we have to write the pointer of the file, means the pointer name which we have used in the file. So fpointer, I will use if pointer as the name. So this is to open a file and this is to close a file. This is the syntax. Okay, now I will talk about the modes, what modes you can use. So all the modes will be in double quotes. All the modes will be in double quotes. So the first mode is W. So W mode is used to create a file. If the file is not present and we want to create the file first time, then we use W. W is for creating any file and writing in it. So, and if the file is already present and we are using the mode as W, then the file will be deleted and the file with the same name will be recreated, and then it will be available to write or read into it. The next mode is R. So this is used for reading. If the file is not present, then it will return a null value, and if the file is already present, then it is available to read. Then our next mode is A. A stands for append. So here it is mainly used for appending, that is editing. So if the file is not present, it will create that file and the file will be available for appending, and if the file is already present, then that's good, you will just need to append it. And then the next mode is R plus. So this R plus mode is used for reading as well as writing. So for that you have to, the file need to be present from at the first, and if the file is not present, then it will return a null value. Then the next mode is W plus. So here again, same as W, it will, if the file is already present, then it will delete the file and recreate the file with the same name, and it is available to read or write or append. And if not, then it will create the file and it is available to read, write. The next mode is a plus. So this is again append plus. If the file is not present, then it will create a file and the file will be ready for reading, writing. And if the file is present, then the file will be not created. Means if it is already present, then it is available to read and write or edit. Okay, so these are all about modes. So now let me just delete this. And now the header file stdio provides a structure for us to work with the files to create, append and edit, etc. The structure is file in capitals. You have to write in capitals, and then you have to write a pointer. I'm writing as f pointer. So when we will be creating the file, this, if the file is created by this function fopen, so when the file will be created, the address of that file will be stored in f pointer, and this file will contain all the informations of the file. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. So next video we will learn about creating a file. We will practically create a file and do some operations on that. So that's all for today's video, and see you in the next video. Until then, oh yeah, the main thing is subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon also, and also give a thumbs up if you like it, so it will also keep me motivated to make more videos. So yeah, thank you.